Okay guys, 2019 GMC Yukon SLT 5.3 liter motor, rebuilt title, damage was here, side swipe, no front end damage, this thing's loaded, has the big 22-inch rims on it, super clean motor, super low miles. Oh, DVD, sunroof. Start it up there for you. So 37,358 on the miles. Heated steering wheel, heated cooled seats, Navi, backup camera. Smart key, remote start. This does have the tow package, lane assist. Does have the Bose sound system, memory seats, power folding mirrors with blind spot monitors in them. Power tilt. All-weather floor mats. Definitely looks like it only has 38,000 miles on it. This is an 8-passenger also. A little tougher to find. Rear heated seats. Power liftgate. Power folding. Super clean underneath there. Again, rebuilt title, damage right through here. Got the running boards. Nice Yukon SLT, sends you from Real Deal Auto. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.